All right, mathematicians, we are distinguishing between the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Now, the area of a rectangle is found by doing length times width. Just multiply your two dimensions. In this case, 74 yards times 29 yards. Now, yards times yards is yards squared, or yards to the second power. And then we're doing 74 times 29, which is 2,146 yards squared for our area. Perimeter is the distance around. Now, for a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent, so they have the same measure. And so if we add up all of these, we'll get our perimeter. And after doing a couple of these, you may notice, I'm adding the length and the width twice. So some people may add 29 plus 74, get 103, and then multiply that by 2 to get 206. And these are yards to the first power. Both of these calculations, so now let's see which one would apply here. Yoko will walk around the field. Well, he's going around it, so it's perimeter. And then part C, the field will be covered by astroturf, which would be helpful there. Well, that would be area, because it's going to be the inside of it's covered, the two-dimensional space, whereas perimeters is around. Let's look at another situation here. All right, so we've got a parking lot. It's this rectangle parking lot. The area is going to be found by doing the length times the width. So 30 times 100 gives us 3,000, and our units, feet times feet, is feet squared. So make sure you have square units for our area. And then perimeters, distance around, if we add up 30 and 100, we get 130, and then we double it because we see the other 30 over here and another 100 over here, and so we get 260 feet to the first power, which will be useful for figuring out how much to repair the parking lot, like if we were refinishing the whole thing or repaving it. Well, that would be area. And then which one would be used for wrapping a chain around it? Well, that would be perimeter, since it's around. We would need to know the distance around to figure out how much chain length we need. All right, so hopefully this is helping you on your learning path.